Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Let's see today's question. So today's question we are taking this up from the topic of matrices. If I talk about the question that is given to us here from this topic, question tells us let A be a solution of x square plus x plus 1 equals 0, and for some A and B in R they have given us some matrix which says for A B 1, 16, 13, -1, -1, 2, -2, -14, -8 is equal to 0, 0, 0. So this is the condition given to us, and the question further says if 4 over alpha raised to 4 plus m over alpha raised to a plus n over alpha raised to b is equals to 3, then the question is asking us to figure out what is the value of m plus n. So that's the question asked to us. And if I talk about the answer choices that we have been given here, the options are 11, 3, 8, 7. So we need to figure out which one of the answer choices is the correct answer for this question that is given to us here. Let's try to figure out how to solve this question further. Before starting off with the solution for this question, I'd first like to tell you that if you're enjoying these videos that we are doing on everyday basis, please do like the videos as well. Do comment on the videos, share with your friends also, and subscribe to my channel. Let's see how to solve this question further. So it says that alpha is the solution of x squared. Sorry, there's alpha. Alpha is the solution of this equation x squared plus x plus 1 equals 0, right? And we have been given a condition which says this also. So first let's try to find out a and b solving this whole determinant thing. So let's solve this matrices. So for a, b is the first matrix. Second matrix given to us is 1, 16, 13, -1, -1, 2, -2, -14, -8 is equal to 0, 0, 0. So let's see. So first thing, if I try to do this, 4 times 1, so 4, -1 times a, so minus a, -2 times b, so minus 2b. This is 1. Second, 4 times 16, 64, -1 times a, so minus a, -14 times b, so minus 14b. And the third, it gives me 13 times 4, 52. 2 times a, 2a, minus 8b. This is 0, 0, 0. So we have this with me. So what I have here is 4 minus a minus 2b is 0. So from here, I can get a plus 2b is 4. Next, 64 minus a minus 14b is equal to 0. So a plus 14b is equal to 64. And the third says 52 plus 2a minus 8b equals 0. So that leaves me with 2a minus 8b is equals to minus 52. I have these three equations, but if I have only two unknowns, I just need two equations. So I'll use this and this. So a plus 2b is 4. A plus 14b is 64. If I subtract them, this gets cancelled. 2 minus 14 minus 12b, 4 minus 64 minus 60. Dividing by minus 12 both sides leaves me b as 5. So I get b is 5. Once I get b is 5, a becomes 4 minus 2b. So 4 minus 2 times 5, 4 minus 10 minus 6. So I get from here a is minus 6, b is 5. Right? Once I get the values of a and b here, then I'll do the question. So equation now that is given to us becomes 4 over alpha raised to 4 plus m over alpha raised to a plus n over alpha raised to beta equals 3. So let's write that. So 4 over, we have alpha raised to 4, m over alpha raised to a and n over alpha raised to b equals 3. So from here, what do I get as 4 over alpha raised to 4 m over alpha raised to a. A in this case we know it is how much? Minus 6. And n over alpha raised to b. B in this case we know it as 5 is equal to 3. Now let's try to do the question here. It says alpha is a solution of this equation x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0. So if you understand x square plus 1, x plus 1 equals to 0, if it is given to me, I will multiply both sides with x minus 1. That leaves me with x minus 1, x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0 as well. So a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, which is a cube minus b cube. So that leaves me with x cube minus 1 equals 0. X cube is equal to 1. So I get from here omega, we know it is the complex cube root of unity. So omega cube equals 1, we know here. So basically alpha, which is given to us solution of this equation, I can just say let that be omega. So I have omega as my complex cube root of unity. Omega cube is 1. Once I have that with me, let's try to figure out all of this. So my this becomes 4 over omega raised to 4, m over omega raised to minus 6, n over omega raised to 5 equals 3. So I can get from here omega raised to 4 is omega cube into omega. Omega cube is 1, so it becomes 1 into omega, which is omega. Omega raised to minus 6, omega cube raised to minus 2, which is 1 raised to minus 2, which is 1 also, because 1 over 1 square, which is 1. Omega raised to 5, omega cube into omega square. Omega cube is 1, so 1 into omega square. So that leaves me with omega square. So I have this for the ideas with me. So leaves me with 4 over omega, m over 1, n over omega square equals 3. Now, once I have this with me, let's try to figure out. So from here, we know that when omega cube is equal to 1, that has 3 roots, out of which omega, we know it is minus half plus root 3 over 2i, and omega square in that case becomes minus half plus root 3 over 2i squared, which makes it minus half a plus b the whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is root 3 over 2i square, which is 3 over 4i square. That gives me minus half, 2 and 2 cancels, so minus root 3 over 2i, and plus 3 over 4 times minus 1, so minus 3 over 4. So if I just make the denominator same here, what do I get from here? Let's see. So minus half also should be squared, right? So it should not become just minus half. It's a squared, so it should become 1 over 4. So 1 over 4 minus 3 over 4 becomes minus 2 over 4, which is minus half, minus root 3i over 2. So I have omega square with me also. I have omega with me also. Now, once I have this ideas with me, let's put it here. So if I put it here, what do I get from here is 4 over omega. And we know 1 over omega is nothing but 1 over minus half plus root 3 over 2i. So if I multiply with the conjugate of that, minus half minus root 3 over 2i minus half minus root 3 over 2i. So we get from here minus half minus root 3 over 2i, a plus b, a minus b, so a square, which is 1 over 4, minus b square. So minus root 3 over 4 squared, root 3 over 2 squared, so which is 3 over 4 I square, which is minus 1 as well. So 1 over 4 plus 3 over 4, which is 1. So minus half minus root 3 over 2i. Right? So 1 over omega, I get that. And 1 over omega square, if I write it. So 1 over minus half minus root 3 over 2i. That minus half plus root 3 over 2i, if I multiply with the conjugate, what do I get from here? Minus half plus root 3 over 2i. A minus b, a plus b, so a square minus b square, so 1 over 4 minus 3 over 4i square as well. So that also gives you 1. So you get minus half plus root 3 over 2. Now, once I have 1 over omega, once I have 1 over omega square, I'll put it everything in this expression. So I get from here 4 over omega, which is I can write 4 over omega plus m over 1 plus n over omega square equals what is given to us, which is equals 3. So 4 over omega, if I have, so 4 times 1 over omega, that basically means minus half minus root 3 over 2i plus m plus n square. I don't have n square, I just have n over omega. So plus n, I have minus half because 1 over omega square is minus half plus root 3 over 2i equals 3. So from here, if I try to solve this further, what do I get? 4 times minus half is minus 2. 4 times minus root 3 over 2 gives you minus 2 root 3i plus m plus n into minus half gives you minus n over 2 plus root 3 over 2 ni equals 3. So from here, if I compare it, I can write that as 3 plus 0i in the complex number form. It gives me minus 2 plus m minus n over 2 equals 3. The second, if I do it for I, the same thing, I get minus 2 root 3 plus root 3 over 2 n is equal to 0. So if I solve for this, let's solve for this because it has only one unknown. That leaves me with root 3 over 2n is equal to minus 2 root 3 goes on the other side, makes it plus 2 root 3. So root 3 cancels, n is 2 times 2, which is 4. So I get n is 4. Once I get n is 4, I'll put that n as 4 here. So what I get is minus 2 plus m minus n over 2. So 4 over 2, which is minus 2 as well, is equal to 3. So from here, what do I get is m. 2 goes there, this 2 goes there. 3 plus 2 plus 2, so 7. I get m as 7. I have n as 4. Once I have m and n with me, I'll just figure out the answer that we are looking for, which was m plus n. 7 plus 4, that's 11. So if I see the correct answer that matches here with the question, it is option A. So A becomes the correct answer for this question that is given to us here. I hope you have understood how to solve this type of questions, which deals with the ideas of using the concept of matrices, where we use the product rule of matrices, and then we use the complex cube roots of unity, which was omega cube equals 1. So when omega cube is 1, we know omega in that case will make it minus half plus root 3 over 2i, one of the roots of the complex cube root of unity, because 1 is omega is 1, omega is this, and omega is minus half minus root 3 over 2i. So I used one of them, and that led me to the answer of m and n being 7 and 4. That added up gave me the answer as 11, which basically matches with answer choice A. So A becomes the correct answer for this question. I hope you have understood how to solve this type of questions, which deals with the ideas of using the concepts of matrices. I'll see you again tomorrow with some other question from some other topic. And if you're enjoying these videos that we are doing on everyday basis, please do like the videos as well. Do comment on the videos and share this with your friends also who are involved in the preparation of questions on JEE, so they can also take the benefit from these questions that we are solving on everyday basis. I'll see you again tomorrow with some other video. Thank you.